Hi y'all, just doing a real quick video. I made lunch, and as always, I know with all the stuff that's going on, I'm still planning on pumping out videos and let you see what we're eating for lunch, to give you ideas. And remember, anything you see that you don't like, you can always add, take away, whatever. It just depends on who you're making it for. The whole point is, these are just ideas. So what we have here is a turkey melt, and what it is just basically bread, cheese, and meat. And you can use whatever cheese you want. In our case, we use cheddar cheese, and we use turkey meat. Sorry about that. So anyway, we went ahead and toasted it. We broiled it in the oven and flipped it and broiled it on that side. But down below it, it's kind of like a breakfast, but it's not a breakfast. We have eggs that we cooked, and you cook them however you want to. And then we topped it with some mozzarella cheese. And then my husband sauteed some vegetables. And what the vegetables, they consist of, they have broccoli, yellow, green, and orange, bell pepper, onions, mushroom, and I believe that's it. And then he put a little soy sauce in it when he was sauteing it. And then we went ahead and topped it over the eggs. And she can eat it with the sandwich. Or not she, but this is my mom's plate. But this is what we're eating for lunch. These are just some lunch ideas. So again, you could add, take away, just depends on who you're making it for. If it's for the little ones, you can have it more egg and maybe a little less vegetables, unless they'll eat them. The little ones here, they'll eat it. So that's a blessing. So anyway, I know with everything going on, take care of yourselves. Let's keep all in prayer. God's with us and He's taking care of us. Yeah, so these are just some quick lunch ideas. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and God bless.